Today we're going to install the replacement headlight light bulbs on. Alright, so these are H7s. These are just the commercial brand, but these are H7 bulbs. And the way this is going to go, you're going to grab the little pigtail here and put that into the... Alright, so this has a little marker here, right there. And you can see the light bulb frame slides into place there. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead and put in the bulb right into its place right there. And we're going to go ahead and secure it down. Alright, so this one's a little tough to put in, but just make sure it's nice and parallel like that. Then all you're simply going to do is lock it down into place. Alright, there it is. Turned a little bit. It's nice and secured. Let's go ahead and put this cover back into place. It's going to go slide right into here. Make sure you don't drop it. And we're going to go ahead and try to secure this down. I might need both hands. Alright, there it is. And once you have it in there, just go ahead and secure it down. Perfect. Now on this one, we had to remove this little bracket here. So let's go ahead and put that back into place. It's going to require a 10mm to secure this down. Perfect. Alright. Yeah, we had to remove this because it blocked all the access to that little door. So now let's go ahead and move over to the passenger side. Same thing here. Line this up here with that little end there, just like so. So it's going to go just like this here. And press that down. And I always clean the light bulb after I'm done. You want as less fingerprints as possible on that bulb to expand the life on that as much as possible. Should be wearing some gloves, but I'm not. So let's go ahead and put that sucker into place there and secure it down. Alright, there it is. I got it in. Alright, perfect, nice and secured. Just put this cover back into place. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and secure this down. Sweet. Alright, started up the car. Let's give this a try. Alright, and there it is. They are working. That's the high beam. That's the low beam. They're in a projector light. Here it is as well. Sweet. And that is how you install the headlight bulbs on this 2018 Kia Rio. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.